how to make groups notifications vibrate default on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make groups notifications vibrate default on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings. Here you will find the notifications and then just scroll down until you find vibrate. Click on it and here you will find it default. Select default and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.